Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Today in science I'm going to teach you about respiratory system. So for this I'm going to show you few slides about respiratory system. Look at this. What respiratory system is? Respiratory system is the system that help us to breathe. What is the function of the respiratory system? This system helps our body to absorb oxygen from the air and clean waste gases such as carbon dioxide from your blood. So actually what is going in this system? Oxygen is absorbing in the blood and carbon dioxide is moving out of the blood. The main purpose of this respiration is this. How this all happens, now I will go you to show this. What organs are involved in it? First of all, the organs which are involved in respiratory systems are nose, lungs, trachea, and many other also, but the main organ is this. First is nose, and nose, you know, it is external organ from where air enters inside the body. Nose is the organ from where air enters inside the body. Then air from the nose, it enters into the throat. I'm showing you the throat area. This area is called pharynx. This area is called pharynx. Pharynx is a tube that delivers air from the nose and the mouth to the trachea. Pharynx is between nose and trachea. Okay. It is in this pharynx is in the throat area. Then from this pharynx, air enters into the trachea. What trachea is? Trachea is the air passage, connect the throat to the lungs. Air enters from the nose, goes into the pharynx, then it enters into the trachea. This portion, which I'm showing you, this portion on which my cursor is moving, this portion is called trachea. Okay. Trachea, when reaches down, it divided into two further branches called bronchi. Singular bronchus, plural bronchi. One will enter into the one lung, right lung, another will enter into the left lung. What bronchial tubes are? Trachea divided into two branches when reaches at the level of lung, one is called bronchial tube and plural of course bronchial tubes. Okay, now you understand this. I hope you understand this. From the bronchial tubes, now finally air enters into the lungs. Lungs are the main organ of this respiratory system. Each human body have two lungs. The main function of the lung is inhalation and exhalation of the gases. What do we inhale? We inhale air, and main component of the air is oxygen. This oxygen is absorbed into the blood. From this blood, oxygen is transported to all the organs and other tissues. And when we exhale, the moving out of the air, in this carbon dioxide moves out of the body by using the same passage from which air or oxygen enters inside the blood. Same process is for the moving out of the carbon dioxide. Here I show you the complete picture of the respiratory system. So first of all, two external organs are nose and mouth. From nose and mouth, air enters inside. Here in the throat, this area, this tube is called pharynx. Air enters in the pharynx. Then from pharynx, it enters into the trachea. That blue color pipe is called trachea. Trachea, when reaches at the level of the lungs, is divided into further two branches called bronchi, singular bronchus, and plural is called bronchi, or you can say it bronchial tubes. Now you can clearly see it when this bronchi enters in the lungs, it is further divided into very, very small tubes called bronchioles. This very small tubes called bronchioles. There are bronchial tree, or you can call it bronchial tree. At the end of this bronchial tree, or at the end of this bronchioles, air sacs are present. Air sacs are called alveoli also. And this alveoli is surrounded by the bunch of capillaries. And you all know that capillaries is containing the blood. From this air sac, oxygen is absorbed into the capillaries, and that capillaries containing blood, through blood that oxygen is transported to all the organs of the body. And same is the case for the absorption of the carbon dioxide. The capillaries containing contaminated blood containing carbon dioxide that is absorbed in the air sacs, that carbon dioxide, and from air sacs it goes into the bronchi, and from bronchi it goes into trachea, pharynx, and nose. During exhalation process, that carbon dioxide moves out of the nose into the air. So this is the process of inhalation and exhalation. This is the process of absorbing carbon dioxide and moving out of the process of absorbing oxygen and moving out of the carbon dioxide. Breathe in and breathe out. When you breathe in, your lungs fill with air and become larger. And when you breathe out, your lungs become smaller as air is squeezed out of them. So this is the process how breathing occurs. I hope you all understand this. Up till now, this is the end of this system. If you find any difficulty, you can contact me. So I'm going to end this meeting.